Hi, Matthew. My name is Anna, and I am the owner of AP Edge, which is a internet marketing agency. And I came across a post that you had made on Construction Pros, the Facebook page, and I just thought I'm going to shoot you this quick video, give you a couple of pointers, show you how there's things that you can actually do yourself to improve your business profile on the internet. So, why am I doing this? It's just that, I like giving a little bit of value, helping people out. And I know that, there are so many marketers and with so many different solutions and business owners get busy doing what they're supposed to do, don't always have the time or know who to trust to take care of their marketing. So if at the end of this video, you think that I've got something valuable to offer you and you want to create a partnership, those kinds of things, just drop me a line. You can just reply back. But even that aside, there are just some things that you can do, and I'd like to share that with you right now. So what we're looking at is your site, obviously, and I'm not sure if it's a free site still on Wix or not, but I like the color. The color scheme is something that you don't see often. It's laid out quite nicely. A couple of little housekeeping things. The call now, with so many people looking for things on their phone, you want it to be a clickable phone number so they can call you directly and very quickly. A couple other things down here, I'm not sure. Here in the footer, these actually go to Wix. They don't go to your site. And copyright 2023, you're a little ahead of the game there. We're not quite there yet. But nice layout, and you've got a very appealing place to show off what you can do. So now, how I started this was that I went through a search, Winnipeg Renovations, because that's one of the keywords that you've mentioned that you do, and this is the map pack right here. So this is the prime real estate, right? So here's the map and here's the top 3 businesses. You've seen this enough times, and the ads come above here. Now 92% of searchers select the businesses on page 1. So by you not being there, you're missing out on that, and the volume here of searches for this term are 320 a month. So that's something substantial that you might want to do a few tweaks to get you up that ladder and get closer to page 1, if not on it, which is your goal. So one of the first things that appeals to Google, who is of course is the king of the internet. Is content. So the content on your page is about 350 words. So it's decent, actually. We want to aim for about 1,000, 1,500 to give Google bots more content, more authoritative content than your competitors in order for them to search and pick out your keywords and those kinds of things. Content's the only way that you can tell Google about your site. And of course the images, also you can tag content onto your images, but the bots come in and search and can differentiate between you and the competition by the words that you put on your page. Now, these guys, I just this is the #1 spot, All Canadian Renovations, and we put them in a free tool. It's called wordcounttools.com, so it doesn't cost you anything. But you can do a check if you don't want to count words by themselves. So 300 words. So you have more words, but they're a #1 spot. So it's like, well, that's not all there is then. There's more to it than just content. And what we go to next is something that is called citations. And we look here, remember here's the paid ads, and actually organic SEO, which is organic, is down here in the numbers. Searchers tend to skip over the paid ads in favor of organic because it seems to be more trustworthy. We're thinking people buy into the number one spot, which of course is exactly what it is, but I mean, it's a paid ad. So if we look here in the map pack, we see that there is the name, address, and phone number. And that's what a citation is. And it's the more places on the internet where you list those things, then your competitor makes you more popular. And I'll show you here is on another free search site, which is called whitespark.ca. You can go there, and I've taken the liberty of putting in the 3 businesses that we're looking at, and the numbers are really low in citations here. You would want 100, which is easy enough to do. So if you could do that, beat out your competitor, you see that you're slowly can be rising to the top. So content, citations, but what else is going to bring you up to that number one spot? Another one is what is called backlinks. So why some people end up closer to the top is through backlinks. And what that is like, it's like a vote for your business, that another company or business has linked to your site, to a page on your site, and they are an authority themselves. So Google sees you connected now. All of a sudden, oh, you have some authority. You're listed in different places. You see your popularity is increasing, and Google will reward those sites that are more popular because they will send more people to it because of the authority. That's the plus for that. I'm going to take you through another set of dynamics here. Now this is a paid site. I pay substantial for this one, but I do want you to see. This is all Canadian Renovations here, and we're just going to, just for the sake of numbers, you want your numbers bigger, generally speaking, right? But here's the backlink. So here's the juice. Now, you might have a friend that has a website about vegetable art, and you might have another friend that has an HVAC company that he's been running for 10 years. And you see that if you're linked to one friend and not out of the two of them, who would probably have a little bit more authority, more juice, those kinds of things. That's who you want to link to, is them with a little bit more substance. So here, the number one has backlinks is 669, and the keywords themselves are 343. And we're just going to look at, we look at those two numbers, and we'll go to the number 2. You see, 220. So that's 1/4, and about 1/4 of the keywords as well. And then we'll take a quick look at yours. There's actually no data for yours yet. Like I say, I'm not sure if you're just building. Now, don't get too puffed up about this number. Originally, I did too, like, whoa, what's going on here? But because you've built your site on Wix, this is actually Wix juice. So if you could ever link to them, that would be great. But in this case, that's not happening. Anyway, so I've taken enough of your time. So just to wrap things up, the 3 things that we talked about today, or that I mentioned to you that you could, implement, are content, your front page. If you can get it to 1,000 or 1,500 words, you'll nail your competition. Citations, 100 even, which is minimal, 1 to 200, and you would, again, pun intended, nail your competition. And if you want to saw out a place for yourself on the internet, backlinks, which is more relevant sites linking to you than your competitors. So there you have it. Like I say, if you like what you've heard, by all means, you can feel free to just reply to this and get back to me. And if not, implement these things. By all means, please do, and you'll see that the results will speak for themselves. So now, should you want to consider partnering, I just want to make sure that you know that I only work with one business in any given niche. So should that be you, you would know that I'm not selling or comparing businesses in the same niche. I would be one-on-one with you too. It's only fair. So you might want to reach out sooner than later. But Matthew, thank you very much for your time. I hope you do put some of these things to work, and I wish you all the success with your business. Thanks again.